What's up everybody, Brian here. I sell clothing full-time on eBay and I want to show you 10 sales today. I actually have 35 sales going out for $1,092. I'm just going to go over 10 of those sales. I'm just going to pick them randomly, just any item I think is interesting I want to talk about, or maybe it was worth a lot of money or whatever. So yeah, let's get right into it. Let's go. All right, first up we have this men's Arc'teryx pants. Size 34, tall is a tall size. It is new with tags, that's why I went for so much. It went for $92 plus $6 shipping. I think I listed at $100 plus $6 shipping. It sold like within a few hours, so I don't know. I priced like fairly at the top of the market and it still sold right away. Arc'teryx, super good brand. If you're not familiar with brands like these, definitely look up rei.com, go through all the brands. Pretty much every single one of them sells their own brand. REI has their own brand. REI doesn't do as well, but I still sell it quite often. Pretty much everything on the store is going to do well. All right, next up we have a Lucky brand Pearl Snap shirt. It's actually only size medium, not the best size. It still sold pretty quickly for $22 plus $6 shipping. It was kind of like a flannel material. It had a good pattern. Just kind of a plain gray with a little bit of color, but the pearl snaps are really what are going to sell in there. I don't sell a ton of Lucky brand. It's not great, but the pearl snaps do really well for me. I sell them all the time. I'll pick them up for like $5 or $7 and sell them for around this price. Sometimes I'll take a best offer and they'll sell for 18 plus 6. But, obviously there's a range there. This one sold for full price very quickly for $22 plus $6 shipping. It is going to go out ground shipping. It is 13 ounces, unfortunately, so it is going to ship out for $6.07. If it was 1 ounce less, it would have been a little bit cheaper. All right, next up we have Tory Richard. I talk about this brand all the time, but the reason why I wanted to pull this order specifically is because it is a size small. I listed it at $18 plus $6 shipping, and it sold within like a day or two, so still sold very quickly. It is a cool pattern. It's like a cool floral pattern, so obviously the better the pattern, the better it's going to do, the more colorful it is. But even these smaller sizes still going to do well with a brand this strong. It is cotton lawn, which is what people are looking for. Silk, cotton lawn, linen do well with this brand, so even the smaller sizes still going to do well. And this shirt's only 4 ounces, so it's going to go out for $3.97, and they paid $6 shipping. All right, next up we have a Tommy Bahama jacket, size large. It is like a denim trucker jacket. A lot of people say Tommy Bahama is too saturated, but if you find cool stuff like this, it does go for money. It sold for $30.50 plus $9 shipping. I believe I had it listed at $40. It took a best offer. It sold super quickly. Probably could have waited and got more. Kind of went back and forth with the buyer, and they kind of sent me a message, and I was like, oh, okay, sure, I'll let you have it. So they're gonna be happy with this. $38.50 plus shipping, and it's gonna cost me $7.60 to ship out, even though they paid $9 shipping. All right, next up we have this new with tags Levi's pair of jeans. They are the 511s, size 31-30, I believe. Yes, and they sold for $31 plus $9 shipping. I picked up like 4 or 5 of these, and they all sold, I think, for full price for $40, and this one's been sitting not too long, but took a little bit longer, took a best offer, and still a great sale. New with tags Levi's still does very well. 511s are pretty good, and don't be afraid of those smaller sizes. A lot of them do well, and a lot of times I'll pay up for these too. I think I paid like 12 bucks for these, so wasn't cheap, but they all sold rather quickly for a decent amount of money. All right, with this next order, this person bought 2 items from me. They were both Patagonia sweaters, men's XL. One they bought for $28, and the other they bought for, I took a best offer of $10. He messaged me, was like, hey, will you give me a deal if I buy 2 things? I said, sure. So accepted $10 on that one. I've been kind of sitting on this one for a little bit too, so I was like, yeah, that's fine. They paid a good price for this one, so I was okay with it. And they paid full shipping for both items, so they paid $12 total, $6 each item, and it's only going to cost me like $7.60 to ship them out in a flat rate. So yeah, he's getting a good deal. I'm excited to see this older item go. So yeah, great sale there. All right, this item sold super quickly. I took a best offer. It's a Johnny O quarter zip. It's new with tags, but it had like a little flaw and it had a golf course logo on it. So I decided to price it somewhat low at $25 plus $6 shipping, and then took a best offer of $20. But yeah, I figured it had the flaw, it had the golf course logo on it, and was like, I just want to see it go. Still made a profit on it, super happy to see it go. They're gonna be thrilled with their purchase. Here's a pair of silver jeans. It is the Zach line, or whatever you want to call it, cut. And it's size 34-32, great size. I listed at $30 plus $9 shipping. It sold for $25 plus $9. Probably could have waited. It was a great size, so probably would have sold at 30, but whatever. Sold super quickly. So really happy about that. Great brand. The cut's great, but a lot of the cuts from that brand is great. It's just kind of a good brand. All right, I sell this brand all the time, Penguin. I know a lot of people kind of stay away from this brand. It does well for me. It is the Heritage Slim Fit, and it has a cool floral pattern. So, you know, maybe don't just pick up everything, but those are some indicators that's gonna do well. Again, Heritage Slim Fit, the pattern. It was a size medium, which isn't great, but it's like in perfect condition. I mean, just look at it. Someone's gonna be happy wearing this. The brand is not like amazing, but it's not terrible. So it's kind of right at that range where it really depends on the shirt, the type of shirt it is. And someone's definitely gonna be happy with this. Basically a brand new shirt with a great pattern. And again, the Heritage Slim Fit, people like that sort of fit with this brand. So it sold for $15 plus $6 shipping. Nothing crazy, but this kind of stuff you can pick up all day and sell it. You find these everywhere. Some resellers pass on it, so if you do more volume, you can definitely make money with these. And yeah, I like them. I had it listed at $19.99 plus $6 shipping. Sometimes they sell for full price. Sometimes I'm taking offers of $17. Sometimes they sit in my store and I have to sell them for $12 plus $6 shipping. But this one was $15, not bad at all. So it's gonna go for, it's gonna ship out for $4.13. And again, they paid $6 shipping, so made a little bit on the shipping there. All right, next up is another brand on that REI list that you guys should check out, Patagonia, size XL. It's got that like weird sort of, it's not, I don't even know what this pattern's called. If any of you know what it's called, let me know. It's like not seersuckered, it's like, it is wavy, but it's not quite seersucker. It's like the entire material is just kind of thin and wavy. I don't know what it's called actually. I probably should know what it's called. But yeah, size XL, organic cotton. Obviously the organic cotton is gonna do better than regular cotton. A pretty good pattern. Sold for $22.79 plus $6 shipping. I probably paid $5 for this. Might have paid $7. I can't remember, but most of the stuff I'm picking up is about $5. So yeah, great sell there. It's pretty light, shouldn't cost too much to ship out. All right, that should be 10 items. I'm gonna hurry up and ship everything else out because the post office closes in like less than 30 minutes. So I gotta like hurry up. It's only 5 minutes down the road, but I gotta hurry up, take them there. I always feel bad whenever I bring stuff like right before they close. So yeah, I'm gonna drop them off and apologize to the people that work there. But you know, it's not like a crazy amount of orders. They just have to scan it. So it's not like I'm selling like 200 items. It's like, you know, whatever I said, 30 items or whatever it was. I don't remember. But yeah, so wanted to get a little video out for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. And yes, have a good day, everybody.